Hey, I'm John Cannell, and today on Preppy Kitchen we're making a creamy, amazing fettuccine Alfredo. So let's get started. First off, grab a large pot and add, 2 to 3 teaspoons of salt. Now we're gonna fill our pot with water and bring it to a boil over medium-high heat. All right, cover it up. And now we'll do some prep work for the sauce. There's ever so little prep work. This recipe comes together in a flash. Measure out 1 cup of heavy whipping cream, and we're gonna freshly grate 1 cup or 113 grams of parmesan. This delicious recipe dates all the way back to 1914, and we can thank Alfredo who made this for his restaurant in Rome. Mary Pickford and Douglas Fairbanks, who were the most famous stars in the world at that time, came to his restaurant, they had the Alfredo and fell in love with it. They ended up bringing the recipe back with them and it became so popular, and for good reason. It's the most delicious comfort food you can make in just a few minutes. It's fast and easy and everybody likes it. Nice. Measuring cheese and garlic with your heart. This is just about a cup, a little bit generous, but that's fine. The recipe calls for 3 garlic cloves. I like to imagine the largest elephant garlic cloves ever and translate that to regular cloves, meaning I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 garlic cloves, but you do you. Take what you want. I really don't mince garlic anymore unless it's absolutely necessary, and it's never absolutely necessary for me. I'm using a garlic press. It's going to mush the garlic up, give me beautiful small pieces that are great for the sauce, and really express all those delicious oils from the garlic as well. And it's saving my fingers from stinking of garlic. Sticky garlic fingers is so annoying. My cream cheese, garlic, and butter are all prepped, and the water's come to a boil. So grab 1 pound of fettuccine, and we're gonna pop that in. Use your tongs and move that fettuccine around just a bit at the beginning and a little bit afterwards too, because you do not want it to stick together. That would be very annoying. I'll keep an eye on that, but in the meantime, grab a large pan and let's make our sauce. Add 1/2 cup or 113 grams of unsalted butter into your pan, although to be honest, you could use salted butter if you really like things salty. Place that over medium heat. All right. Right now, you just need your butter to melt, so keep an eye on that. Give your pasta a little stir, and really this recipe is nearly done. This is a guaranteed meal to please, and in this video, I want to give you just the pasta and the sauce because you could have it alone by itself. You could add any protein you want on the side or incorporate that in. I think that sauteed shrimp go really well in this. If I was having this for dinner, I would serve it with a large salad, some shrimp, and call myself a very happy person. And by the way, if crackling butter really bothers you, switch to European style butter, which has less water in it, so it's more fat, and that was just water. I'm adding some more butter in to make up for all the butter that splattered out. Now it's time to add your garlic in. And you're gonna mix, mix, mix. You do not want it to burn. But the nice thing is that there's enough butter in here to really insulate it. Oh my gosh, it smells so good. Butter and garlic go hand in hand. Stir, 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 and you're gonna cook the garlic for about 30 seconds or so, or until it's fragrant. You don't wanna burn it though. Once that beautiful smell hits your nose, it's time to add 1 cup of cream. Nice. Stir the cream in, and you're gonna cook this for about a minute or so, or until the cream is warm and bubbly. You don't wanna add your Parmesan into an ice cold mixture. It'll just not melt happily. It'll be a weird situation. Things might break. And while you're stirring, just take a look at your pasta, keep an eye on it. You want it to be nice and al dente. One of the main problems you can have with an Alfredo sauce is it getting really chunky and solid. There's a lot of delicious butter and cheese in here. This is bubbly, so it's time to add the cheese in. All right, sprinkle it in and stir. The smell is like heaven, it's so good. This sauce tends to thicken up when it gets cold, and also the pasta will absorb and suck water out of it. So make sure you save at least 1/4 cup of the pasta water.